Bismillah Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all of you. My dear students, how are you? I hope all of you fine and God bless you. Okay, now introduce myself. I am your drawing teacher of class 3 from Ismailia Youth Services School. I hope all of you listen me carefully. Okay, student, before starting the class, please listen the instructions that you need to follow. Number one, you need to listen carefully. If you have any question or query, please use the chat box. I will answer you in last 10 minutes. You must have your drawing textbook, your drawing copy, rough copy, and a stationery box. Number 4. Do all homework in your drawing midterm fair copy. All of you should have. Use the hand free if you are using the mobile or headphone for computer use. Number 6. Take care of time for attending the class. If there is any disconnectivity during the lecture, try to again join the lecture within 5 to 10 minutes. Now, come to content. Before starting the drawing, I will share some tips of the drawing. Tips of the drawing. Number 1. Availability of the complete drawing kit is must. It means that you have the pencil, eraser, ruler, sharpener, and the color box. Each diagram should be drawn in the correct way, means you draw the diagram in the center of the page and the correct proportion. Use a sharp pencil with single firm line for drawing. It means your pencil should be pointed and sharp for the drawing. Drawing should be clear, neat, and clean. Coloring should be smooth, neat, and clean. Okay, now today's our topic is object drawing. And we learn about the three picture today. Number 1, TV, orange, water pot in 3 steps, and coloring the picture or join the dot to complete the picture. Before starting, I explain the object drawing. It is a form of visual art in which a person uses various drawing instruments to mark paper or another two-dimensional medium. Different types of the drawing describe different types of content. It means it is a form of visual art, means that the things around us, for example, bed, table, chair, fan, computer, mobile, all these are the objects. And the definition of the object drawing is a picture created with pencil, marker, crayons, or other tools of the thing that can be seen or observed easily. All of you understand what is the meaning of the object drawing and the definition of the drawing? It is a visual art, means the things around us, for example, bed, table, chair, fan, computer, mobile, all these are the objects. The definition of the object drawing is a picture created with a pen, marker, crayons, or other tools of a thing that can be seen easily or observed easily. Before explain the picture number 1, I ask the question. Listen the question carefully. Which thing we use for entertainment in daily life purpose, like watching movies, news, cartoons, and take information, etc. I repeat the question. Which thing we use for entertainment, daily life purpose? Watching movies, news, cartoon, and take information, etc. The answer is TV or the television. TV stand for television. Okay, which shape, which geometrical shape is used for drawing the television? Drawing of the television is rectangle. All of you understand what I tell you? Geometrical shape which we use for the drawing of the TV is rectangle. And firstly, we explain or we define the rectangle, the pair of parallel lines called the rectangle. The pair of parallel two lines is called the rectangle. Okay, students, all of you know about the rectangle? Okay, then I explain. Then I explain the first step of the drawing of TV. Okay, draw horizontal two lines. Draw horizontal two lines. Horizontal line is above and lower the line of 8 centimeter. These lines are called horizontal line, and two parallel lines of vertical. Cursor pointing the vertical lines of 5 centimeter. All of you understand what are called these lines? These are the vertical line, and the horizontal lines are above, and lower line is the horizontal line. The horizontal line which is 8 centimeter and the vertical lines of 5 centimeter. And with the help of these measurements, we draw a rectangle. All of you have the rough copy and pencil. Okay, all of you draw with me. In the first step, you draw the diagram of rectangle with the help of measurement 8 centimeter and 5 centimeter. All of you understand? If you follow the instruction or if you follow the steps, you can easily draw the diagram. Okay, the first step. In the first step, you draw the two parallel line of 8 centimeter and vertical line of 5 centimeter and draw a rectangle. In the second step, at the top of the left side rectangle, V-shaped antenna will be drawn with the help of 3 centimeter. As the picture shows, V-shaped antenna at the top side of the rectangle. All of you understand? What can, what do you think the antenna is? At the top of the left side of the rectangle, draw an antenna of V shape by 3 centimeter line as the picture shows. Cursor pointing the slide of the antenna. How we draw the antenna? V-shaped antenna is drawn with the help of 3 centimeter lines. Okay, student. Then draw a vertical line. Draw a vertical line at the right side inside the rectangle at the distance 2 centimeter. At the distance 2 centimeter. All of you draw it easily if you have a pencil and a scale. All of you draw a vertical line at the right side inside the rectangle from the distance of 2 centimeter. If you follow the instruction, you can easily you can easily draw the diagram. Okay, student. May I repeat the step number 2? At the top of the left side of the rectangle, draw an antenna of V shape. A V shape by 3 centimeter line as the picture show. And the second step, at the tops of the left side of the rectangle, draw an antenna by 3 centimeter line as the picture show. And draw a vertical line at the right side inside the rectangle from the distance of 2 centimeter. All of you understand the second step of the television? In the third step of the television, inside the right angle, draw another rectangle of 1 centimeter. Another rectangle of 1 centimeter. All of you understand? Draw another rectangle inside the right side rectangle and also draw 3 buttons at the same distance. 3 buttons at the same distance. Inside the right side rectangle, draw another rectangle and draw 3 buttons at the same distance. I hope all of you draw it easily as the picture shows. And then inside the large triangle, draw a screen as the cursor pointing the screen. All of you draw a screen as the picture shows below or as the cursor pointing the screen. All of you draw easily. Okay, student. After it, all after drawing, fill in suitable colors. Look at the screen. It is a colorful TV. All of you draw after drawing. Fill the color in it. All of you understand? May I repeat? May I repeat the steps? In the step number 1, draw 2 horizontal line of 8 centimeter and vertical line of 5 centimeter and make a rectangle. And in the step number 2, at the top of the left side rectangle, draw an antenna by 3 centimeter line as the picture show. V-shaped antenna. V-shaped antenna as the picture shows and draw a vertical line at the right side inside the rectangle from the distance 2 centimeter. In the step number 3, inside the right side rectangle, draw another rectangle and draw 3 buttons at the same distance. In the large rectangle, draw a screen as the picture shows below. After drawing, fill the color with suitable colors. All of you understand? Do you know about the TV? Through the TV, we get information and spend the spare time with them. We get information about the current affair. We enjoy with different programs like the cartoon, dramas, stories, and stage show. All of you enjoy and for watching the TV? Okay. And your favorite is the cartoon programs. Okay. After it, all of you take a screenshot. All of you take a screenshot for the slide for drawing this drawing of the TV. All of you take a screenshot for this slide for drawing of the TV. Okay. Now, before the next class, next picture, before I explain the next picture of the two, I ask the question, which fruit name is a start from the O? Which fruit name is start from O? Think about it. It is very easy. O for orange. Very good. O for orange. Today we will draw the diagram of the orange. Okay, a stepwise diagram of the orange, and geometrical shape is used. Which geometrical shape is used? Circle for the drawing of the orange. Okay, step number 1. Draw a circle with the help of the bangle. We, your mother wearing the bangles. Okay, take a take a bangle and put in your drawing copy, and around it the pencil is around it the pencil, and make a circle easily, or with the help of the cap of your water bottle you can easily draw a circle. All of you draw a circle. Good. Draw two curved lines. Draw two curved lines at the top of the circle as the picture shows. Okay. All of you understand what I tell you? Draw the two curved lines at the top of the circle as the picture shows. Okay, this is the first step. You can easily draw it. All of you have the rough copy and all of you draw with me. Okay, with the help of a cap of your water bottle, you can easily draw a circle. Around it, we around it makes a line and make a circle easily. Okay, draw two curved line at the top of the circle as the picture show, and the cursor pointing the two curved lines. Look at the slide and show cursor shows the two curved line at the top of the circle. Okay, all of you done? Okay, the step number 2. It is so easy. In the step number 2, draw a leaf on the left side curved line. Draw a leaf on the left side curved line. It is very simple to draw a leaf in the left side curved line. All of you understand? What can do in the second step? Draw a leaf on the left side curved line. And after it, in the third step, then draw a stalk of the orange. In the third step, draw the stalk of the orange on the right side curved line as the picture shows. Okay, this is the complete diagram of an orange. May I repeat it? Draw a circle with the help of your mama's bangle or the cap of your water bottle. Draw two curved lines at the top of the circle as the picture shows. Okay, and in the second step, all of you observe the cursor pointing at the slide. Draw a leaf on the left side curved line. And in the third step, draw a stalk of an orange. Draw a stalk of an orange on the right side curved line as the picture shows. After it, fill the orange color in the diagram of the orange and the green color in the leaf and stalk. Observe a colorful picture of orange. All of you observe it, and you like the orange? Okay. Orange is a very juicy fruit. It is a citrus fruit. It has the vitamin C. It increases the immunity of our body. It helpful against the corona. But it is mostly found in the winter season. Okay. Okay, all of you take a screenshot of this slide for drawing of orange. Okay, student, all of you take a screenshot. After it, before I explain the picture number 3, I ask the question: what is used to store drinking water in villages? May I repeat the question? What is used to store drinking water in villages? Answer is water pot. We call water pot in Urdu. We call water pot in Urdu as matka. Not only used in the villages, nowadays people also use in the large cities. It also keeps the water cold and clean. This water make the person healthy. Okay, we are using the geometrical shape for making or for drawing the water pot is oval. Draw an oval of 8 centimeter. Of 8 centimeter. Width of the oval is 8 centimeter as shows in the picture number 1. All of you understand? The width of the oval is 8 centimeter. After it, above the oval, draw 3 centimeter lines. Draw 3 centimeters lines as the picture show. Okay, these 3 lines of 3 centimeters as the step number 1 shows. And the step number 2, draw the neck of the water pot with the help of 2.5 centimeter width as the picture shows. The 2 curved lines making the neck of the water pot. All of you draw it easily. All of you draw it easily. Draw the neck of the water pot. After it, draw another oval. Another oval above the neck as the picture shows in the picture number 2 or in the step 2. Or we can say it is the mouth of the water pot. Okay, the neck, above the neck, we draw another oval as the picture number 2 shows. All of you draw it in your rough copy. Okay, and the third step, draw a curved line in the center of the water pot. The cursor pointing the curved line in the center of the water pot, and double line oval above the neck as shown in the picture. The double line oval above the neck as shown in the picture. This is your complete picture of water pot. We are rub the extra lines or we are completing the drawing of the water pot. May I repeat the step number 1? Draw an oval of 8 centimeter as the step number 1 shows. Above the oval, draw 3 centimeter lines, 3 lines of 3 centimeter shown in the picture number 1. Okay, in the second step, draw a neck of the water pot about 2.5 centimeter width. Neck of the water pot with the curved line. Draw another oval above the neck as shown in the step number 2. All of you understand? Or in the third step, Draw a curved line in the center of the water pot and double line oval above the neck as the picture shows in the step number 3. After, what can I do? After drawing, we color the picture. Smooth coloring should be must. Coloring is neat, clean, and the picture is neat and clean with smooth coloring. All of you understand? Take a screenshot for this slide for drawing the water pot. Okay, now to move forward, the next we are concluding these three pictures: TV, orange, and water pot. After it, now we move forward the next slide. It is the butterfly. It is already drawn in your book, page number 3. What we do? Only color beautifully in it. It is already drawn in your book, page number 3. Only color it. You know about the butterfly? It is a flying insect. Insects are invertebrate means insects are invertebrate means insects do not have bones. Their body is made up of hard material called chitin. So insects have exoskeleton. All the insects have three body part. Head, thorax, and abdomen. All the insects have three pairs of legs, means insects have 6 legs. Wings and the legs are attached to the thorax. Cursor pointing the body of the butterfly, in which use the dark colors and the different bright colors used in the wings to make it colorful and attractive. Next slide is join the dot and complete the picture. Dots having the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 as your slide show. You are using with the help of the pencil, join the dots with the numbers of 1 to 18 and then complete the picture of parrot. Parrot is a bird. Birds are vertebrate means they have bones in their body. All the birds have feathers on the body and have wings to fly. There are so many kinds of parrots, have different colors and size. But common parrot in Pakistan is green in color with red beak. Green in color in the body of the parrot and beak is red. Okay. Before sharing the home task, yes, ma'am. Before sharing the home tasks, we are share how to start your drawing copy, because there is your first class of drawing. As you know, complete the outer page sheet and cover it the copy, and now on the first page write your biodata like name, father name, class, section, and subject. Do not use the back side of the page. Then on the second page, make the midterm title page, April to September. On the third page, make the title page of the object drawing. Then on the fourth page, draw the TV before. Draw a TV. Draw a 1-inch margin line on the both side and page, and top line is 1.5-inch board. With the write the date at the left side above the top line, and then write the question below the top line, neat and clean with pencil. Now I will share the home task. Draw a TV and color it in your drawing copy and book, page number 1. Draw an orange and color it in it your drawing copy and book, page number 10. Draw a water pot and color it in your drawing copy and book, page number 17. Color the picture of the butterfly on the book, page number 3. And then join the dots and complete the picture of parrot with suitable color on the page number 11. This is your home task, and take a screenshot for completing your home task. All of you understand? All of you take the screenshot. Okay, home task.